Healthy aging vitamins you need as you age. Vitamin B12. It helps make blood and nerve cells. You get it naturally only from animal foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Most Americans eat enough B12, but this might change as you age. As many as 30% of people over 50 have a condition called atrophic gastritis that makes it harder for your body to absorb it from foods. You can still get this vitamin from B12 fortified foods like breakfast cereal or from pills or shots. Vitamin B6. Your body uses it to fight germs and to make energy. It also helps babies' brain growth. You need more B6 as you get older. Some studies have found links between high B6 blood levels in seniors and better memory. But the vitamin doesn't seem to improve mental abilities in people with dementia. Chickpeas are an easy and inexpensive source. So are liver and fatty fish. Omega-3s. These fatty acids are called essential because your body can't make them. They are important for your eyes, brain, and sperm cells. They also could help protect against age-related disease like Alzheimer's, arthritis, and macular degeneration, which can cause blindness. Unless your doctor says otherwise, it's best to get your omega-3s from food like fatty fish, walnuts, canola oil, or flaxseed. Selenium. It protects your cells from damage and infection, and keeps your thyroid working properly. Selenium also can keep your muscles strong and may help prevent age-linked illnesses like dementia, some types of cancer, and thyroid disease. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day should be enough. Don't overdo it. Too much selenium can make your hair fall out and turn your nails brittle. Folate. This natural form of vitamin B9 is in leafy greens, nuts, beans, and other foods. Pregnant women take a lab-made form of vitamin B9 called folic acid to help prevent birth defects. Folate helps with cell growth and may protect against stroke and certain cancers. Most Americans get enough. Folate found in foods is safe, but too much folic acid from supplements or fortified foods can raise your odds for colon cancer or nerve damage. Calcium. With age, you can start to lose more of this mineral than you absorb. That can make your bones break more easily, osteoporosis, especially for women after menopause. Calcium helps your muscles, nerves, cells, and blood vessels work right. You get most of it from your bones, which get it from food. Women over 50 and men over 70 should get about 20% more than other adults. Milk, yogurt, and cheese are good sources. Vitamin D. Your body needs it to absorb calcium, so take them in tandem to help prevent osteoporosis. Vitamin D also helps your muscles, nerves, and immune system work right. Most people get some vitamin D from sunlight, but your body is less able to convert sun's rays to vitamin D as you age. It's harder to get this vitamin from foods, but fatty fish like salmon is a good source. Magnesium. It helps your body make protein and bone and keeps your blood sugar stable. You can get it from nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. But older people tend to eat less of it. You're also more likely to have health conditions like digestive problems or to take medications that keep your body from absorbing magnesium easily. Zinc. Many American seniors don't get enough of this underappreciated micronutrient. It helps your sense of smell and taste, and fights infections and inflammation. All important jobs in older bodies. Zinc also may protect your vision. Oysters are far and away the best source of this mineral. Otherwise, you can get it from beef, crab, and fortified breakfast cereals. Potassium. Potassium plays a part in almost everything inside your body, including your heart, kidneys, muscles, and nerves. It also may help protect against stroke, high blood pressure, and osteoporosis. Many Americans don't get enough. Dried apricots, bananas, spinach, milk, and yogurt are good sources. Ask your doctor before you take supplements. They can interfere with medications for high blood pressure, migraines, and other conditions.